Hi everybody, this is Robert again, back to the studio to working with the short pine. Customer bring this bonsai to us to asking to help repot it, and then they're going to training the tree to upgrade it, and my job here just repot it. I want to share this video with everybody, see what we can do. And you can see this tree by the container size, there may be the original, either this is the front or this is the front. You can see the difference. So what's going on this tree? By the study this tree, I believe this tree originally there's another plant on this side here, but probably damaged. I didn't know yet, but I'm going to figure out what's going on. By the study the tree right now, when we repot it, we're not going to put exactly same like this. I study the tree. Maybe this is the wider part of the tree. Either this is the front or this is the front, and you can see the pot container right now. It's different, right? Again, original plant right here. Let me see what's going on here. I tried to find out what the original plant. Oh, okay, here we go. See here?
There's a hole.
There's a hole right here. I believe this is the one tree right here. That's why the tree position is not perfect.
Okay.
Not perfect. You can see here. The rest of them we're not sure. So, but we're gonna repot it, open up, take it out this from the ground, from this container, and reposition it again, because this is the wider side of the tree. So we're going to use this tree to consider the front, or this is the back. So after we take it out from this container, we're looking at how we can do it, and also the position of this tree right here. This tree, I believe, this tree is already damaged. There's nothing left right here. So, but if we take it out, this tree out, this tree will look funny, you know, it's more open up this position, and this is really big hole on this side. And I tried to push this together like this, or we try to push this together. So you can see right now this two tree is lined up together on the one line. If we can bring this out a little bit and look better, that's the one I probably okay working with this tree, because the artist, original owner, not here today. If not, we just cut it off and go back again. They can reposition it, but that's just our idea. We try to bring this out right here and tie it up with this tree. So when we repot it, we always try to save the moss around the tree here. We maybe can use it again. We try to save some moss right here, and later on maybe use it to decorate it. But the first thing we need to do, untie this wire.
And then once we untie that, we'll get ready to take the container out.
Take the container out. This trees must be overgrown. You can see here the soil is already, the root system already hard, and we need to take it out from this. And I believe the root system already hitting to the side of the pot right here. So we need to have a special tool to make sure cut it off, not damage the pot.
And the special tool that we're referring to is the Barnell Hori Hori knife. You may have seen us use this tool before when we repotted that 7-foot tall pine. We're gonna use that again here. And if you go to pnetools.com/bonsai and use promo code bonsai at checkout, you can get 10% off this Barnell tool and 3 others that we use on a daily basis, and they'll ship it straight to your door. Here you go.
This is the tool we're going to use.
Let me get a shot from this side here. So we're gonna go all the way around this tree, and then it should just plop out. I should probably help. Okay, I'll hold this still, and then you can.
Put your hand.
Yeah.
Should be.
1, 2.
Okay, take that.
There's something stuck on this right side. There we go.
Okay.
Oh boy. Okay.
So we try to open up the root system right here. See if how much we can. If in case there's any heavy root, then look like this is pretty soft, not that bad. I like to use the metal stick.
I should probably help too. Then out the other side here. You see this section here? This was growing against the pot. Look at that root wall. This is why we should repot it, because it's growing all the way towards the edge of the pot, and we're going to thin this out, give it more room to grow.
We need to open up the soil to let the new soil can support the tree.
This soil is probably 10 years old.
I think so. Yeah, but nice soil makes us pretty good. The last person repotting this one, we need to get a good credit. On the tip over, you can see the bottom. See here, it's like a cake. We need to open up this.
I'll hold it here.
You hold it?
Yeah.
It's the same like the one big tree we did before.
Then click on the link in the top right. You can see the video of that 7-foot pine we repotted.
See here, it's already got the root bung, so it's hard for the tree can get a healthy growth. So we need to turn the other way.
Tilt it towards me.
Yep. So we open up this part here too. Look at this.
Wow.
This is the pot, the frame of the pot, and this, the tree that is hard to grow again on the bottom. I think we're pretty good on this side.
We're not removing all of the original soil.
Okay, and you go the other way. Keep it again.
Just a better position.
Okay, I think we okay. Take this out from the table. We need to do some cleanup.
Okay.
We already opened up all the root system right here, and we're going to install here. Of course, we always put the lava rock on the bottom layer of the soil. Then we try to design how we want to put it this tree in the position. You need to study the tree. So I need to go back to the other side there and looking at this tree, how I want to put it in the position. I need to turn to right side a little bit.
Okay.
I mean the angle. No. The tree position right.
Oh.
Yeah. A little bit more. Too much. Back again a little bit. Just like that.
Okay.
Just like that. So this is the position I think. Check look is the tree on the center. Can you turn the whole pot?
You move the
Okay, move
back.
yeah, move back a little bit. Right there. Okay, and I would like to see this side. Still need the tip a little bit. Like that. Here you go. And I believe probably the other side is the front.
So this side?
Yeah. Let's move again back. Okay, that's all the position, and we always can make adjustment. You hold the tree. I'm going to put the soil.
Okay.
So again, when you repot it, not just copy what original look like, you have to study the tree because the tree already grow for many years. Some of the branches growing stronger than the other, and you need to find the better position of the tree. Remember, this tree, one of the tree I believe is damaged before. Okay, I need to go back there to take a look again. That's all I need to do. So we need to tie up the soil. Let tie up the tree. Like before, do all the project, we make sure there's no air pocket in the bottom. You can see here, just need to use the metal stick like this. That's what I like. And push the soil in.
So we'll do that throughout the whole tree.
Also remind you again, you need to get a good soil system, not just go to the garden center, buy the potting soil. That's not good enough. So I suggest you mix with the lava rock, pumice, coconut coir, and every artist have a different experience, but you need to do the study. But at least not only using the potting soil, that would be too wet and not easy to drain. Don't think about, oh, it's nice, I only water once a week. That's not a good idea for growing the tree. You're growing the tree, remember, it's not growing the flower. It's quite different. Remember, this is the original the pot, not this position, but the tree this position because the pot is go the other way around. And there's some, we believe the one tree on the other side here was damaged. Oh yeah, right here, this is the big hole. We believe this is one big tree right here before, but we cover up with the soil right now. You're not going to see anything.
What does the front look like now?
Now this is the, you can consider this the front. Well, it's better consider front because the small tree on the back, just give you some depth. Of course, you're welcome to consider this is the front. And the artists, the owners of this tree, they want to do their own training. I will give them some suggestion for the tree like this. Let me go back to the tree. So this tree have a big space in between right here, but that's okay. But the problem is this tree is lined up with this big tree on the back, and if we can go like this, you can see separately, then you can see 5 different trees.
Okay, so that's what you're gonna do.
This is what I'm going to wire like this right now.
Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see this get pulled in. And this way. So
Now you can see the difference.
yeah. So
But-
he's tying the wire. Where's the wire?
There's a wire right here.
Oh, okay, I see it right there.
There's a wire right here. Pull this tree and let it close together.
Yeah, now you're starting to see 5.
After we reposition the tree in original pot like this, you can see 5 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, this is if we can push this in a little bit, but the problem is the top right here will be touching the top tree right here. I think like the owner decided what they want to do. You can see here, if we push that a little bit up, so you're missing something. And this tree, the only branches they live right now is this one here. And the owner, they want to training by themselves, and let's see what's going on, because they're training a lot of branches right here will be take a lot of time. So now we repotted here is done. We're going to put the moss back on right here. Now we finished this project right here. Thank you for watching our YouTube video, and if you have any question, you're welcome to contact us, put the comment, and we'll be shared with anybody who's watching the YouTube. Of course, you're welcome to come visit us. We're located in Kent, Asia Pacific Gardening. We're really close to the SeaTac Airport. This is our address, and you can contact us. If you're in Seattle, you're welcome to come over, and we have plenty of the bonsai right here. Thank you, and you have a nice day.